Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from trigonometric ratios and identities of 11th class. The question is, find the minimum value of 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. So I took this as a function f of x equals to 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta, and 9 is 3 nothing but 3 square tan theta. So 3 tan theta whole square plus 2 cot theta whole square, right? So I wrote this as a square plus b square form. But for that, how can you specify, how can you get the formula a minus b whole square plus 2ab? So now this must be written in this form, right? So here if you take A as 3 tan theta, B as cot theta, substitute in this, what you will get? 3 tan theta minus 2 cos theta whole square plus 2 into 3 tan theta 2 cot theta, right? So here 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So this comes the same. And the second term, what you will get? 12 into tan theta into cot theta. But cot theta is 1 by tan theta, no? So tan theta get cancelled and remains 12. So what at last we got? 3 tan theta minus 2 cot theta whole square plus 12. What are the range of tan theta and cot theta? Open in closed interval 0 comma infinity open interval. Why? Because this side open interval, infinity means you can't specify the number exactly what is that, right? Here we are having 0. This is a clearly understanding that number is 0. So we have to put this closed interval. And also whenever you put a closed interval, that also involved when you substitute. Say for example, you are having open intervals like this. Only the middle values must be placed in the variable place. If you have the closed interval along with the two ends and the middle ones also, you can substitute. Understood? This is open interval, this is closed interval. So as it is a closed interval, you can substitute 0 also, and here it is infinity, you can't say the exact number, that's why you put open interval. So you can't exactly put this number here, because what is that? Infinity means what is the biggest number? We don't have the exact largest number in our number system, right? So that's why you can't do anything with this infinity, only you substitute 0 in this. See for here, if you see from 0 onwards, all the numbers are greater than 0. So what will be the minimum? 0 is the minimum. So if you substitute in the place of tan theta and cot theta 0, you will get the 12. That is the minimum value of the given question. 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta, minimum value is 12. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this chapter, in any topic.